Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how I made a DIY LED softbox light for YouTube video recording using 12 volt LED strips. Good lighting is very important for YouTube videos, but professional softbox lights are very expensive. So I decided to make my own low budget studio light using simple electronic components. I used 12 volt LED strips, DC power supply. To get soft and even light, all the LED strips are connected in parallel connection. In a parallel connection, all LED strips get the same 12 volt supply. The positive terminal of every LED strip is connected to the positive line of the power supply, and the negative terminal of every LED strip is connected to the ground line of power supply. This is very important because parallel connection ensures equal brightness on all LED strips. If one strip fails, the remaining LED strips will still work properly. Why not series connection? If we connect LED strips in series, voltage will divide and brightness will reduce. Series connection can also cause overheating and damage to LED strips. That is why parallel connection is the correct and safe method for 12 volt LED strips. As you can see, the light output is soft and evenly distributed, similar to a professional softbox. This DIY LED light is perfect for YouTube videos recording.